And then from Nairobi, we take a look now towards former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. He's currently in London and he's giving a statement on what he feels the issues surrounding the latest developments in Kenya. We're going to cross over now to that.
I want to say, Hassan Omar, you are the ones radicalizing the people of Kenya. When you ask Churchill to kill the Matatu industry and replace it with BTR buses, what are you doing? That is radicalization. The Matatu industry employs many people. Many Kenyans have invested in the Matatu industry. And you are issuing a public statement asking the Minister for Transport to kill the Matatu industry and replace it with the BTR. You are actually radicalizing the Matatu owners, the drivers, the touts, and all the people who work out a living from the Matatu industry. You are asking what William Ruto did to people of Kenya, why they are so angry. You should know because you live in Kenya. He abducted and killed their children. People are still in pain. He has levied taxes that are unreasonable to the people of Kenya. He has refused to pay pending bills to the people of Kenya. Their properties are being auctioned. He has made bribery a way of life. He is mocking Kenyans by displaying millions of shillings in public when people have no food on the table. That is what William Ruto has done to the people of Kenya. If you didn't know, I heard you ask that question. I have that answer for you. And you're asking why people are radicalized. It is the government that is radicalizing the people. The kind of statements of P.O. Adai and John Badi are making, the so-called experts, are radicalizing the people of Kenya. And they will be radicalized because that is the way the government wants things to be done. Let me, again, it's my very wish, respond to Kipchumba Murkomen. I've heard him. At any one time, there's a problem in Kenya trying to blame President Uhuru Kenyatta and Rigathi Gachagua. Kipchumba Murkomen, for the record, Uhuru Kenyatta is not the president of Kenya. William Ruto is the president of Kenya. The buck stops with him. He cannot blame Uhuru Kenyatta for mismanaging the country, for destroying a country that was up and running. President Uhuru Kenyatta handed over a country that is working, with a working education system, working health system, with a country that was secure. 4 years down the line, there is no country. You keep on blaming President Uhuru Kenyatta, and you are asking Matatu owners, why didn't they go on strike when Uhuru Kenyatta was president? When Uhuru Kenyatta was president, fuel went only to 135 shillings. We are now over 240. The people of Kenya know the difference. And again, Ruto is president. Let him run the country. And you cannot keep on anytime there is a small problem. You start comparing the reign of Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. President Uhuru Kenyatta told the people of Kenya that his then deputy could not be trusted to run a country. We disobeyed him. We refused to buy that argument, I included. We are now paying for that. Uhuru knew because he had stayed with him. So Kipchumba Murkomen, leave Uhuru Kenyatta alone. He is not the president of Kenya. Uhuru Kenyatta is retired. Let Ruto carry his cross. He has mismanaged the country. When the country is burning, despite having been properly briefed that there are problems, and Kenya will come to a standstill, he left on an overseas trip in a private jet, I am told the most luxurious in the world, where you are paying 5 million shillings per hour. That jet that he left with is the epitome of luxury, with a full bedroom and a massage parlor and a spa with a jacuzzi, steam, sauna, and the massage parlor has 4 girls from Seychelles. He is enjoying when Kenyans are struggling in air. And then you're asking Kenyan that people have a problem with William Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. Kipchumba Murkomen, if you have forgotten, nobody has any problem with the Kalenjin nation. When the people of Kenya elected William Ruto as president, they knew he's a Kalenjin. If they had a problem with the colleges, they would not have elected him. Nobody has a problem with William Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. People have a problem with William Ruto because he's incompetent. And he's not what he promised the people of Kenya to be. He has killed their children. He has abducted their children. He has ruined the economy. He has run down all businesses. He has taken over every business in the country. Banking, insurance, hospitality, aviation, medical, education. He is in competition with the Kenyan people for businesses. And he has run out all Kenyan businesses from business. So when you come and tell us that people did not oppose Uhuru Kenyatta, they are opposing William Ruto because he's a Kalenjin. When we elected him, we knew he was a Kalenjin. And nobody has a problem with the Kalenjin nation. It's a very dignified community with good people. People with proven track record who have served this country with this distinction. People don't have a problem with the Kalenjin nation. They have a problem with William Ruto. It's unfortunate he's a Kalenjin. There's nothing we can do about it. But don't tell the people of Kenya that. That is thinking people are stupid. People are not. People are very intelligent. And you cannot trivialize such an